On today's episode of Duval's Beautiful and Bold, I'm going to be, well, first I'm going to turn this radio off. I'm going to go over what I'm putting on the car right now. I'm installing the Whitelines rear sway bar. If you watch any of the other videos, you'll see all the installation and stuff that everybody else has done. I'll be doing all that. The difference is, on this video, I'm going to show you what has been easiest for me compared to what everybody else is doing. So when you see this spot here and this spot here, that's where the end links will connect. The bar goes straight back around, connects to the little pole part right there and right there. When you take the bar out, it was easiest for me to disconnect the end links first, allow the end links to just flop around. Then I would take the end link section that connects to the bar off. So disconnect this first at the bottom, and then disconnect that from the sway bar. It'll make it that much easier. It'll move everything out. You can just, all this stuff comes out, and you'll have that much room to play around getting your sway bar out. What I suggest is go ahead, push the sway bar up. Try to show you. Nobody said this. Taking the bar out is a little bit more difficult than what it seems. When it's sitting in there like this, I'm sorry, it's one hand and me trying to operate it. It's going to be sitting in there like this. Push it up and try to twist back. That way you can get these down, and then it'll slide right out. All right. So you guys see what I'm putting on today. I'm not sure what the next install will be, but this is about the most help I could give you taking this off and everything. I'm not going to show you how to reinstall it because, like I said, there's other people who do videos like that. My videos are just to show you what I have put on the car and then answer questions afterwards. So if you have any questions, feel free to write in. Yeah, this is the Whitelines rear sway bar install, and I will be putting it on the softest setting, which is that setting. Hardest would be this one. Right now with the Eibach springs that I've installed, the Pro Kit all the way around, the car rides as if it was semi-sport all the time. I cannot imagine putting the sway bar on the hardest setting. The car feels like a race car. It feels like it's on sport most of the time now. When I put it on sport, it's even harder. And I imagine with this sway bar, it's going to be even harder. So I'll stick with the softest settings. I also did purchase the Honda Accord end links instead of the, or I'm not going to be using the Civic end links. You can see how weak these are. This is solid aluminum or metal, but yeah, a lot better. A lot better. So, all right, guys, that's it for today. Any questions? Feel free to give me a call. I'm sorry. Feel free to text me or write me on the email. Have a good one.